Alright, so the first thing we want to do is outline everything. I'm just using a pencil that I can easily wipe off. I'm going to be using body paint from Mayron, so yeah, let's get started. And this is water activated face paint. I don't use cream. I only use cream for certain looks. Using the James Charles palette because it has a big pan for the black eyeshadow. So we are basically setting this. This is going to be horrible to take off, but it's worth it for what we want. I'm gonna move on to painting the rest of the spots. So that's the yellow and the red. You can see I left this white area unpainted only because it adds a natural highlight, and you want to do that in certain areas. I'm using cream for this part just because cream blends out really nicely. I'm just going to glue down my brows, and then using a translucent powder I'm going to set it. So I look freaking scary and creepy right now, but I'm gonna move on to foundation. But first, of course, we're gonna prime our face. I'm gonna be using my Benefit Hydrating Primer. Then I'm gonna go in with foundation. Now this one is my NARS Radiant Foundation. All right, now it's time to conceal. I look so crazy, but this is the best I've ever done with concealing my brows, so I am proud of myself. Okay. I'm going to take my Black Opal foundation stick. This is in the color Black Walnut, and I'm just going to contour my face. I'm gonna take some of my Laura Mercier setting powder and set my face. And I'm gonna start contouring my eyes a little bit too, while bringing this contour up to my brow bone. Basically where my old eyebrows are, because that is going to create a new crease area for my eyes. So the next part is pretty important because we have to do the brows, and I'm going to just sketch the brows first on my face just so that I can see what I'm working with, what brows I like more. Alright, so I'm going to use the black paint to kind of create the base for our crease. I'm going to add some liner. Go into this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and take the pink shimmer cupcake palette and take this blue color right here. I'm gonna go in with the pink first. Then the blue. He doesn't have anything on his lips, so I'm gonna take this lip liner from Sephora. It's in the color Molasses, and I'm just going to line my lips. I feel like this is like a baddie lip gloss. This is from Buxom. It's in the color Sugar. So I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty highlighter. I always use this. And it's in Mean Money and Hustler Baby. Alright, so this is the finished look of my Hisoka inspired makeup look. I really liked how everything came out. I look freaking dope. Now, halfway through, I didn't think I was gonna make it to this point, but I did, okay? So if you guys like this video, like what you saw, please leave me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be down in this corner right here. Join my little familia, get a little familiar with me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.